This is a Herrig 612 automatic surface grinder. Appears to have a Walker Ceramax permanent magnet chuck on it. See, the work light works. Start the spindle. Nice quiet spindle. Start the hydraulic pump. Start the table. See, the stops are the proximity stops that Herrig used. Table speed is variable speed. Can be slowed down, sped up. The amount of infeed is adjusted by a hand wheel. Down here, right now it's set up for about 21 thousandths. We'll start that. Feed reverses automatically when you hit the stops. Stops are set here on the side. See, the feed just reversed. On the side cabinet here. Disconnect switch. The stepper motor for the in and out feed. Spindle drive. The lube system is in the back where most Herrigs are. Hydraulic pump down below. Coolant pump goes on this side. The pump is inside the opening there, but there's no lube pump reservoir. Spindles, actually, downfeed spindle's pretty good. There's not an awful lot of backlash in it. Looks like a couple tenths. Table and cross feed can be cut off. And this can be used as a standard hand feed grinder. Independent of where the stops are set. Shut the spindle off. It's a nice long coast down. Spindle bearings are in pretty good shape. There's a sheet metal guard here for the grindings.